Alright guys, so the car's all lifted up and let's take a look at all the damage in the subframe. So as you can see, our ghetto plank of wood holding the rear wheel in place since that traction arm snapped off here at the bottom of the knuckle. Pretty crazy actually. It should have bent the control arm a lot more before it sheared that, but I guess it was the angle that I hit at. So there's that. Then if you look right up there, you can see where those tabs on the subframe bent out of place. It's actually about 5 millimeters out of spec according to our measurements on the sheet. Then, yeah, this knuckle's all gross, which is why I'm getting new ones with new bushings pressed in. You can see if you look straight on, the wheel's pretty towed in and the alignment's all kind of crazy right now. But yeah, let's get all this nasty crap out of here and put that new beautiful SPL stuff in. Got everything disconnected, I think. So you can see calipers, wheel speed sensor, got the e-brake lines disconnected, drive shaft, exhaust is all out of the way. So yeah, I'm gonna have my wife control the jack while I lower this thing down, and hopefully it all goes smoothly. Got the mounts for the shocks removed as well. So yeah, here we go. Number 1. Here goes nothing. Alright, go ahead and lower it. Very slowly. No. Twist the handle. Yeah.
It's okay.
It's out. Thanks, babe.
Do that.
Now, I gotta figure out how to get this out of here. So now that the subframe's out, let's get this thing torn apart. Alright, so that was the rust struggle, and here's why we're replacing the subframe. See that 90-degree angle? Yeah, that's not supposed to be like that. It's supposed to look like that. And an even better reference on the new diff, or on the new subframe, excuse me. See? Straight. Straight. Ouch. Alright, so while I got everything out, I figured I'd take a chance and clean up this diff and give it a fresh coat of painting, or a fresh coating of paint, so that it looks nicer when I put it back in. Alright, so got it all cleaned up. First layer of enamel primers down. Use Rust-Oleum to keep it from getting that surface rust on it, and I'll lay down a coat of satin black Rust-Oleum paint, enamel paint, once I let this dry. So yeah, that's about it for today, at least. I'm gonna try to plan a kind of barbecue at my house / install party for a bunch of the guys locally, hopefully to come and help me out. So if you're local, stay tuned to my Instagram and my Facebook and all that, and I'll post a date and see kind of what works with everybody's schedule, and try to get everybody up here for a fun little party and get this thing put back together finally. Alright, so like, comment, subscribe, share this video with your friends if you like what you saw, and we'll keep going on this project and keep getting it ready to get back to track. Thanks guys. Bye.